Well, state lawmakers are pushing a bill to ban ticket quotas for police. It passed unanimously in the House. Annabelle Childers explains what it could mean for drivers if this becomes law.
Under current Ohio law enforcement agencies can set quotas for officers, whether that's a certain number of tickets they must issue a month or a number of arrests officers must make.
Basically, this takes away discretion from law enforcement.
Democratic State Representative Bride Rose Sweeney says she was approached by law enforcement officers who wanted to see that law change.
And what we hear from law enforcement is the implicit, if you aren't coming in with a certain dollar amount, if you're not producing tickets, that they fear retribution, or it's said you might not get that next promotion.
Under House Bill 131, no law enforcement agency could establish formal or informal quotas, require officers to meet quotas, or offer rewards or benefits to officers who meet them. Before the House Public Safety Committee, police reform advocates and officers testified in favor of the bill.
The stress of meeting quotas can lead to mental distress and anguish as officers are forced to choose between doing what is right and fulfilling a quota.
Quotas can lead officers to focus on issuing tickets for minor violations rather than addressing serious crimes or traffic hazards.
Yesterday, the bill passed unanimously through the House with 91 votes. Next, it heads to the Senate.
Now, even though Representative Sweeney does feel optimistic about the bipartisan support of this bill, she says this bill has been introduced for 4 years and it's stalled each time. So we'll have to see whether or not this makes it to the governor.
All right. We appreciate it, Annabelle. Thank you.